You're never traveling alone with InTravel. InTravel is a revolutionary application that lets you to know where each one of the people you're traveling with at the exact time and set up your private travel channel. Let me show how it works. So on that screen, I have my iPhone. So as you can see, I'm moving somewhere around here, like in this area. And I already invited Steven by sending him this special text link, which you see at the top of this window. Steven, hi. Hi. Can you see me? Can you see my map? At the same time, Steven sees the same map as you can see at the screen. So, for example, if I like to invite one of my other friends, for example, Johnny, I send him a link so I can share it with Facebook, email, or SMS it. For example, in this case, I want to SMS it. Just a second. Yeah, that's it. So, Johnny, have you received it? So, yeah, once John receives it, so he can join our private channel. Here it is. Come on. Yeah? Come on. Yeah. Does anybody want to try it? So you can just type this URL you see at the top, imtravel.in773. For example,
30 seconds.
Somebody, yeah. And so this is all possible by wonderful Kai API, because the data is actually passed through this iPhone app to this web page. You can send it to anybody without any server, just from the cloud. So I don't have to write any server code. This is just fantastic. So this app can also be used, for example, to know where your kids are, to have them to talk to you. For example, if somebody is waiting you, and here.
Time.
Two more people. Yeah. That's it.
Thank you so much. Nice work.